engine growl. Got my crew in the back, making mischief, fear 'em out. Big block, dodge, rubber for adventures where we're bound. Feel the power surge, making magic with the sound. Slap the passing gear, we're flying through the night. Every curve and corner feels just right. Always tight. Hit that jump, fly sky high. 2 wheels on the edge, ready to defy. Big wheels rolling, yeah, we don't back down. In a Dodge Adventure, we own this town. Hey, oh, let's rev that hard. Honey blonde redhead, babe, play your part. Rolling like a tide, adrenaline in our veins. Hit those 2-wheel corners, embracing all the pains. Night lights flashing, chase that thrill on the rise. Got my foot on the pedal, we shoot for the skies. Dreaming about the glory, make mischief go legal. It's a wild life living, man, I'm feeling regal. Riding with my fellas, volume cranked to the max. In this big block beast, ain't no time to relax. Honey blonde flashing in my high beams, oh so bright. Cruising like a dream, one hell of a ride tonight. Hit that jump, fly sky high. 2 wheels on the edge, ready to defy. Big wheels rolling, yeah, we don't back down. In a Dodge Adventure, we own this town. Hey, oh, let's rev that hard. Honey blonde redhead, babe, play your part. Scares and screams, all the dreams we're living. Dodge it all and won't be forgiven. Sky's the limit, all barriers breaking. This life's a canvas, best moves we'll make it. Big block Dodge, or before pride. With the crew in the groove, we'll take that ride. Jump the hills, laugh through the thrills. Honey blonde redhead got all the chills. Ramp it up, dodge it down, let's make some noise. In this big block beast, where the boys are boys. Woo!